Good afternoon here at APEC 2026 in beautiful San Antonio. We have Brian Roderick, Senior Technical Manager at Murata and P Semi. And I was wandering along and I stopped in here because they're always up to something interesting. And it turns out you have a very unique solution to powering handheld devices.
Yes, I do. I do. So what we have here is today is I want to introduce you to a first of its kind into the industry is the PE 26100,
Yeah.
which is a single cell charging solution. What it does, it has 6 modes, 4 of them charging, and it's doing the first ever 4-level multi-level charging scheme.
4-level, multi-level.
Yeah.
And you said this packs 6 different modes of functionality.
Functionality, yeah. So there's 4 charging. So one being, regulated ML3 charging,
Right.
for buck, and then there's a ML4 for charging, and that right there is that for the high level charging, it's better for higher input voltages like 15, 12, 18
Right.
volts, solutions. And then there's the less than 10 volts is better for multi-level 3. And it's a regulated output and it's charging.
And you support USPD.
Yeah, we
US
support. Yeah, so with the other 2 modes of charging are charge pump divide by 2 and divide by 3. So with the charge pump technology, there's it usually maps towards AVS as well as PPS type sources. Not to say that the buck can't do these. It's just that that's what it maps to.
Right.
It's more friendly for the multi-level bucks to map towards USP.
In addition to your charge pump device, what else do you have to put in here to come up with a complete solution?
What else is that? This is an analog front end. You still need the the MCU or the APU. The user will program it to what they want to see. Based on. Also, we still need the TCPC. And stuff to detect. And communicate with the brick. I guess the AC to DC source.
And this charges up to 6 amps.
This has up to 6 amps, so about 30, and the battery's voltage that it supports from 3.2 to 5. Now 5 is less likely, but 4.5.
And these are typical efficiencies of?
96, 97, percent, so, yeah.
Well, that's great.
Yeah.
Brian, thank you for your time.
Okay. Thanks. He